This is Joe Pizzi, project manager for Rule 4 Building Group. Today we're in the final days of our work at a house in Arlington, Virginia. Here you can see our painter, and we're staining the handrails we recently installed. This project involved opening up this wall here that led into the dining room. Previously it was just a 4-foot opening, and now you can see we have almost an 8-foot opening to really open things up. As we follow into the living room, we can see another wall that we opened up. Again, this used to just be a 4-foot opening in this area. Here's where we've cut some openings. We had to add an LVL header up above to carry the load from the second floor. We're also staining the thresholds. You can see we've got almost a perfect match from the existing color to the new color. Another part of this renovation project included installing the new marble flooring in the foyer. Again, we have another threshold we're staining, and here you can see the existing house.